Assalamualaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix insight option not showing in Instagram. You can fix the insight option not showing issue on Instagram by following a simple step. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Launch the Instagram app on your iPhone, iPad or Android device. Then go to Profile. Then tap Hamburger menu. Click Settings. Click Accounts. Then click Switch to Personal Account. Click Continue. Select a category for the type of video upload to your profile. Click Back. Select Create. Then click Next. Select Not Now. Click cross icon. You can see the personal dashboard option is now visible in my profile. Click Professional Dashboard. Click See All. Click View Insight. Here you can see all your Instagram data. Instagram Insight show your engagement analytics that improve your Instagram for business strategy. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. If you like the video, please share with your friends.
Thanks for watching.